Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for IELTS from scratch. First, understand the exam structure and what each section entails. Next, honestly evaluate your current English skills to pinpoint areas needing improvement. Finally, establish a clear target score and create a study schedule that aligns with your availability. This foundational work is crucial for effective and efficient preparation, ensuring you build a strong base for success on test day. Building your core English skills is fundamental for IELTS success. Dedicate time daily to expand your vocabulary, focusing on academic words and phrases. Reinforce your understanding of grammar rules and practice constructing varied sentence structures. Actively engage with English content, like podcasts and articles, to sharpen your listening and reading comprehension. These consistent efforts will significantly boost your overall language proficiency. Once your core skills are solid, focus on each IELTS section individually. Practice listening, reading, writing, and speaking extensively, understanding their unique demands. Develop strong time management techniques for each part, especially for the reading and writing sections, where time is often a challenge. Familiarize yourself with all question types, such as multiple choice, true or false, and essay prompts, to avoid surprises on exam day. As you near your test date, taking full-length practice tests under timed conditions is essential. This simulates the actual exam environment and helps build stamina. After each test, thoroughly review your answers, understanding why you made mistakes and how to improve. Additionally, seek feedback on your writing and speaking from experienced tutors or native speakers. This critical review process will refine your skills and boost your confidence for the IELTS.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.